So I a very black one, but it's okay. Now we smash it. It looks like a banana world. And then I'm gonna need to do it carefully. Ready? Yeah, mix it. It's a little slowly. Go do it. Go first. Someone is also holding it. Okay, I already know that. Nana! This
I didn't know I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I resist your smile? Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000.
Whoa! Ouch! My time. Hip hip.